Hi, I'm Jacqueline Villapando, registered dietitian at Baptist Memorial Hospital, Golden Triangle. Tonight we will discuss how to go further with food by adopting healthier eating practices. Food is fuel for our bodies. Animal and plant food sources offer calories, protein, fat, and carbohydrates for nourishment. The various colors of fruit and vegetables contain different vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that our bodies need to thrive. Be sure to include a variety of healthful foods from all food groups on a regular basis. My plate illustrates the 5 food groups that are the building blocks for a healthy diet. Fill half your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables. Make half your grains whole grains. Select lean protein. Choose low-fat or fat-free milk or yogurt. Drink water over sugary beverages. Be mindful of portion sizes. Eat and drink the amount that is right for you, as my plate encourages us to do. Remember to pay attention to your hunger cues by eating or drinking slowly when your body's low fuel light appears. Slow down when the caution light of feeling full comes on. Realize the benefits of healthy eating by consulting with a registered dietitian nutritionist. For more helpful hints and information, contact the dietitians at Baptist Memorial Hospital, Golden Triangle at 244-1530 or visit the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics at eatright.org. Join us next time for Health Talk with Baptist, where we will discuss how to go further with food while reducing food waste and loss.
Mail your topic suggestions to healthtalk@wcbi.com. Health Talk has been brought to you by Baptist Memorial Hospital, Golden Triangle.
The current